Hey everyone, I'm your comic man. Today I'm gonna start a new series giving updates of the week to you. Either it is from movie or series or casting updates. So I will upload this video every week. So now without wasting our time, let's just jump into it. Last week there was a big rumor that Disney is going to buy DC, but I will explain it to you clearly. Warner Bros. Parent company, Warner Media and Discovery had a deal in which these two companies are gonna merge and gonna be one company. This deal is over $100 billion. Discovery's major shareholder John Maloney has sold all his share, and after that all began to think if Discovery's all share have been sold, then the new company which have been formed, Warner Media and Discovery, is also gonna be sold. That's all for fans. Fans started that Disney will buy Warner Media. But Disney is only one of the contender, but also there are big companies waiting to buy Warner Media like Netflix, Amazon and Apple. This has only happened if Warner Media wanted to sell the new merged company Warner Media and Discovery. I don't think the Warner Media is gonna sell it. Just think that it is only a rumor because this deal is just in the progress and it will take 1 to 2 years to complete the deal. And just forgot the Marvel and DC is gonna merge. Next is a casting update of Moon Knight. If you remember guys, we discussed about Moon Knight in previous video. So Oscar Isaac is confirmed as Moon Knight in Disney Plus series. Although we know that earlier Oscar Isaac has casted, but now Marvel has officially announced it with this image. Then guys, coming to Hawkeye series, the directors Burt and Betty has confirmed that the director's cut of this series is ready. I think that its promotions will start soon and I think we can get to see teasers or posters within this year. And moving on to next update, after great success of WandaVision, writer of the show Jack Schaffer has signed an exclusive deal with Marvel. For upcoming 3 years, she would be head writer for all Marvel Disney Plus series. And next update is Tiana Paris, who played Monica Rambeau in WandaVision, has confirmed that she would be in Captain Marvel sequel, which has been officially named as The Marvels. And she also told that she would be helping in writing the story and character arc in this movie. Don't forget guys, she got powers in WandaVision and also in comics she was a superhero called Photon. So in this movie she is also a superhero. And next is set photos of Thor Love and Thunder, in which Chris Hemsworth is wearing 80s costume. I think Thor is gonna exercise and get slim in this movie. As you know, it is Taika Waititi's film. There are gonna be some fun elements. And shooting of this movie Thor Love and Thunder has also completed in Sydney and shooting is still pending in some other locations. And next update is about Danny Gurria, who played Oko in Black Panther, is returning in a Disney Plus spin-off series, and she is also returning in Black Panther 2, which official name is Black Panther Wakanda Forever. And now let's talk about Spider-Man No Way Home, because last week this movie got more updates and rumors. In an interview with Sony Pictures president Sanford Panis revealed that Spider-Man has more opportunities with Marvel Studios, and in that interview he was asked about Sinister Six project is getting planned or not. On that, he told, "This is not correct to reveal it now, so I prefer to keep that in dark." But we all know that Venom solo movie has released and Morbius solo movies is going to release and Craving the Hunter movie is in progress. So it is confirming the Sinister Six is coming, and he is also asked about Venom and Spider-Man crossover. He told for that we should watch the Spider-Man No Way Home, in that fans will get the hint for that. So for it we should wait and watch the movie. And next is a rumors that Lizard and Rhino from Amazing Spider-Man movie franchise is also included in this movie. So guys, Spider-Man 3 has got more villains. And rumor is also that William Dafoe's Green Goblin from Sam Raimi's Spider-Man franchise is gonna be the main villain for this movie. And rumor of Emma Stone character Gwen Stacy is also included in this movie. But Emma Stone has clearly said that it's not gonna happen. In this rumors, we can't say which is confirmed because every week there are new rumors coming. And next is a casting update of Craving the Hunter movie. Actor Alan Taylor has confirmed for the lead role of Craving the Hunter, and this movie is officially gonna release on 13 January 2023. And this is also a casting update of Cassie Lang's character of Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania. For third time the actor is changing, and Catherine Newton has casted in the role, and Evangeline Lilly has also praised on the new casting. And Christopher McDonald has casted in Secret Invasion, and which role he is playing is not yet revealed. So these are the updates from past week to this week. I hope you guys got fully updated. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. And if you like this video, then like, share and comment guys. Do follow my Instagram channel ComicManYT. There I will give daily updates to you. Till then, do whatever you want to do.